Activating a Visa debit card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, ensure you have received your Visa debit card and the associated paperwork, including the cardholder agreement and any activation instructions. First, review the paperwork to understand the terms and conditions of your card, including any fees, daily spending limits, and security features. Next, locate the activation phone number or website provided by your bank, which can usually be found on the back of the card, on the bank's website, or in the accompanying documentation. To activate your card, call the activation phone number and follow the automated prompts to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Alternatively, you can activate your card online by visiting your bank's website and following the activation link, where you will be asked to enter your card details and create a username and password. Once you have entered your card details, you will be asked to create a PIN, which is a 4-digit code used to authorize transactions at ATMs and point-of-sale terminals. Choose a PIN that is unique and not easily guessable, such as a combination of numbers that is not associated with your personal details. After creating your PIN, your card will be activated and ready for use. You can verify that your card is active by checking your account online or by contacting your bank's customer service department. It is also a good idea to sign the back of your card to prevent unauthorized use in the event that it is lost or stolen. To ensure the security of your card, always keep your card details and PIN confidential, and never share them with anyone. Regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions, and report any discrepancies to your bank immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely activate your Visa debit card and start using it for your daily transactions.